excellent, excellent conference. So this panel, as I am told, that we are going to discuss on reinventing PVC advanced application for excelling PVC performance. And I have with me people from the industry, all the expert luminaries of the industry, starting from Manish, Jain from Reliance. We have from the raw material side, we have Bharat Sharma from KraussMaffei, Singapore, who is going to talk on the machinery and technology. And we have Naitik Punamiya from RR Cable, who's the application. We have Cooldeck, who is going to speak on the profiles and application of PVC.
Thank you for the question, and firstly, thank Vinyl Plus to have given me this opportunity. When we talk about CPVC, it's synonym with plumbing. CPVC has changed the way plumbing happens in the country. But beyond plumbing, there are a lot of other applications. For example, when we talk about the fire sprinkler application. Today, fire safety is a big issue. You've heard about many fires, and fire safety has to become an integral part. So that is one big area of application. However, there is a need for the industry to work with the Bureau of Indian Standards to unlock the potential. And I believe that that's happening. And very soon we'll see a big market size for the fire sprinkler. The second is the chemical industry. Now, CPVC has got some very good inherent properties of temperature resistance, thermal stability, chemical resistance. Now, that all put together, and with a little more...
just moving away from thinking machine as a throughput to the machine, which is enabler to the company to make it more intelligent, sustainable, and energy efficient. So as a company, as a machinery provider, we have to reimagine our role. The way at KraussMaffei is we are thinking about how can we leverage automation, how can we leverage efficiency, how can we leverage digital monitoring to make the whole company, the entire converter process end-to-end, help our customers to move to step up rather than using extruder as a throughput as an enabler. It's a critical part of the company. And the way we are looking at is we are trying to be very careful and selecting every part of our extrusion machine. It could be drive, it could be controller, it could be IoT sensors. Final objective is...
Definitely, speaking about India, and when we talk about wire and cable industry, which is somewhere around 11 to 12 billion US dollars today. And very specifically speaking about this industry, when we talk about applications like low voltage power, automotives, or building wire segment, still the segment continues to rely on PVC as their major raw material. And this dominance is not accidental. This is because of certain properties, characteristics that PVC provide to these cables. And that includes right from electrical, mechanical, chemical, and flame retardant characteristics to its processability at a very cost-effective solution that it gives. Now, because of these all characteristics, PVC has been the backbone for all the residential and commercial infrastructures in the decades. Now, coming to the next part of the question that you have put over here, I would say that India is in a transition mode. Transition from, we talk about price.
And good evening, all my fellow panelists. First of all, I would like to congratulate the team Vinyl India and Elite Plus, and especially Ms. Nidhi for the grand success and this grand event. And thank you for inviting me and giving me the opportunity to part of this mega event. Now, coming back to my question, PVC. PVC continues to be a preferred material due to its cost effectiveness, sustainability, durability, and ease of production, supported by making it especially relevant for the mass and the mid-segment footwear category. As the demand improves, And with the price-sensitive market like India, PVC is witnessing a renewed traction among the category.
Good evening all, and thanks to Elite Plus for giving this opportunity to speak up. All day, the last 2 days, everybody have been speaking of PVC. And PVC is a polymer which can't be replaced over the decades because of its properties. And it is really called a premier polymer because of its versatility and low cost. And going ahead, the circular economy is changing the total role where PVC is coming up to be a game changer, because in the coming years, many of the changes are happening on the PVC processing also, on renewable food stocks. PVC is being made, shifting towards renewable feedstocks like cooking oil and sugarcane. So it is going away from petroleum. Many companies like Hanwha has already started the process. Like another basic thing in PVC is the soft PVC, where the applications a lot in terms of clothing, rainwear, and coverings, where the plasticizers have also been developing from plant.
Elite Plus. This is a very interesting question when we are almost working on this subject since last 1.5 decades. So now WPC is quite a settled product for the country, especially in infrastructure, starting from the door frame or door or furniture sheets or partitioning systems, or we can say floors and wall clads, lot many things. Government projects, private sector projects, MNCs, everyone is really inclined towards replacing the wood with new WPC products. Successfully, it is ordered, applied, and almost 10 years we have official record of supplying this material successfully without any negatives. Now, the most important thing is that India is majorly using equipments, those are from China. The capacity